In this video, we will show you how to upgrade AmpCon-DC Management Platform to a new version. This upgrade example demonstrates upgrading AmpCon-DC from version 2.10 to 2.20. To upgrade AmpCon-DC, you need to download the new AmpCon-DC package, run the upgrade command, and log into the UI to confirm the upgrade. Before the upgrade, you need to check the current version of AmpCon-DC Management Platform, and then download the new AmpCon-DC package from the fs.com website. Next, extract the downloaded .tar package. After extraction, navigate to the extracted directory. Then run the installer upgrade.sh script to start the upgrade. Wait for the upgrade process to complete. Once you see a success message, the upgrade is finished. Now log in to the AmpCon-DC UI to see whether the server is upgraded to the new version. You can visit fs.com to get more information about AmpCon-DC Management Platform.